Right, guys, homework from yesterday was about us getting terms, the number of terms in the expressions that we're given. It's exercise 2A, first and third column in page 82. Okay, I'm going to quickly go to 1 here. We've got 6 times x. 6 times x, there's no plus or minus operation between these two. Okay, so that is going to be one term. The answer is one term there. There's nothing else. That is considered one term because of the multiplication sign. Multiplication and division, generally one term. So we'll go one term there. And then if we look at number 4, it's 5x minus y, okay? That is a term, that is a term. So there we'll have 2 terms, right? And then we have 10x plus 3y. 10x plus 3y. So guys, because of the brackets, that makes all the difference, okay? If we didn't have brackets and we have this plus operation, this would be 2 terms. But because we have the brackets, this will be 1 term, okay? There's 1 term inside the bracket, okay? So we go to number 10. How many terms are there? There's a plus operation. There's a bracket here. But the bracket, this is a term, okay? And there's a plus and there's a bracket and we're multiplying into that bracket. So this is one big term, okay? So it's not 2 terms here. The same principle applies that we have at number 7. We've got a plus operation there, so that will be 2 terms. 2x is 1 term and this bracket multiplied by that is a term on its own. So there's 2 terms there. Here we've got operation is divide. Yeah, divide and multiply is the same. So we've got a plus there, but I mean it's the entire term divided by something else entirely. So we can't really separate these. So in that sense, this is 1 term. It's in its entirety. Okay, this is 1 term. This is not 2 terms. It is not 4 terms. It is 1 term because we've got 1 division sign. We've got 1 division operator. So 1 term there. And then we go to the next one. 8x cubed y plus 8x y to the power 3. And then there's big brackets, okay? We've already learned that's 1 term, okay? But then we have a plus outside the bracket. Plus outside the bracket. 8, so that's another term. So this one would be 2 terms, okay? 2 terms. So let's go to the third column now. I'm gonna rub this one out. I might hope you got it. I'm gonna go to the third column quickly.